Football money is overrated. I don't know why they overhype football money like see what kind thing they said. Musicians they make more money than footballers. If we start from normal, say okay, normal from A-list world best musicians and world best footballers. Cristiano Ronaldo is worth $1 billion. Abi? Messi is worth $1 billion. Jay-Z is worth $2.8 billion. Rihanna is worth 1 billion dollars. So two most popular musicians don't get money past two most popular footballers. So why you go dey feel like say footballers they make more money than musicians? Then even let's come to Nigeria now. Let's come to Nigeria. As far as Nigeria is concerned, the richest footballer na Mikel Obi. Mikel Obi is worth $40 million to $45 million. While Wizkid is worth $50 million to $60 million. Davido is worth $100 million. Burna Boy is worth $100 million. So you say musicians they make more money than musicians. I mean than footballers. Or you want to compare Victor Osimhen or Victor Boniface to the Davido? It not work. So I don't know where they get the mentality say football money, or they overhype that thing. Musicians, and even if you talk about fame, say most famous, me I prefer to be a musician. Music fame, I love music fame than football fame, especially when you don't come up from the scene. Imagine person like Mikel Obi or maybe Kanu Nwankwo or this other guy Geh Geh Okocha and Two-Face and P-Square. As far as Nigeria is concerned, I'd rather be Two-Face or P-Square or the bunch than to be Geh Geh Okocha or Kanu Nwankwo. I don't understand what they talk. Then let's even talk of normal footballers who never blow and musicians who never blow. The way the boy Spice dey, the way them all these matches them dey. I mean those we don't musicians will be saying they never really dey like the way the Burna Boy dey. Not be saying they never blow, they don't blow, but never dey like the way the Burna Boy dey. And footballer wey dey that level, you know if you compare the money and fame and influence and level wey they get to all those footballers. Someone when they over dey hype this football money, nothing dey that place. Sure? You want compare Burna Boy or Davido or Wizkid to Mikel Obi or Victor Osimhen or Victor Boniface in terms of money? Even if na fame, Burna Boy famous pass Victor Osimhen, Davido famous pass Victor, even Rema famous pass Victor Osimhen. But fame, glory, football will be say normally if you want to see if you not just shine your career don't go. Then you want compare to musician will be say only the video, only global hits everywhere, full world, everybody I go you everybody they cry, they twerk, or they cry, they dance for the video. I go UK, I see wetin shock me. I say I must carry that thing come back to Nigeria. You know understand? Enter your app store now, download DliteWave.com. DliteWave, just check am, DliteWave for your app store, download am. You fit use this app take pay for electrical bills from the comfort of your home, and if you start to dey buy cheap data wey be say you pay small money, they go dey credit you better data wey be say you fit use. You know that kind of thing. And apart from that one too, if you refer 100 people through your referral link now, anybody wey use the app take buy anything, they will credit you 10k. So imagine say 10,000 times 100 people, that's a lot of money wey be say you dey the comfort of your home and you dey make just by referring people to that app. Make they go buy something from them, make they go push, make they go use their service, you go get am clear. You know that. So God bless you. I'm a financial expert. Go and download the DliteWave. You don't understand. God bless you.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else. Smash that button now.